and BOC, that becomes equals to your half of the degree of curve. So next, so in this relationship you are going to mainly concentrate on the radius, right? So when the radius you know and the particular length of the chord is known, when you are concentrating on radius and dia, the opposite side is having a known angle. So here what it is known? So the opposite and the hypotenuse is known. So what do you mean by sine theta in that? Opposite by hypotenuse. So in this angle, that is, you need to consider angle AOC, where in this triangle you need to take out sine theta. So if you take out the sine theta, that is AC divided by OA, that is opposite by hypotenuse. So now substitute the value of AC, OA and the value of theta. So here theta is nothing but d by 2, AC is nothing but half of your chord length, that is 15 meter, and where the R value is unknown, and you are going to find out finally the value of R. So since you all know that whenever we take sine into some angle, that angle becomes very small. Hence the trigonometric function, that is sine, will be neglected and it will be taken nearly equal to the term d by 2. Hence d is very small, d by 2 is very small, sine d by 2 will be written as directly d by 2, and here the value of the d will be in the radians. So finally, from this expression, that is sine d by 2 is equal to 15 by r, from that the value of r is found out, that is r is equal to 15 by d by 2. Here the value of the d is in radians. So to convert this into degree, you need to multiply the d by 2 into pi by 180. So r is equal to 15 by d by 2 into pi by 180. So this is a final expression. When you solve this, you are going to obtain finally this expression, that is r is equal to 1718